There's so much glitter. It looks so magical. Wonder where in the world it came from. It's Zart and his newborn baby. They're here. It looks like they have a FORTNITE chest. Zart, that was so nice of you. Did you bring this for your newborn son? I wonder what's inside. And over to the side, there's actually some accessories on a piece of paper. So I'm wondering if some of these are going to be inside this treasure chest. Let's open it up and take a look and see. Uh-oh. Zart fell over. It's gold. So much gold glitter. Is that all that's in here? Let me see. Oh, no. There's actually things. Comment down below if you know the names of these things. Whoa. That is so neat. Here you go, buddy. See if anything else is in here. Oh, I feel something. Oh, whoa. That is so neat. Here you go. I think he's gonna love his new toys. Wow, so magical. Whoa, look at this. I wonder what in the world this is called. And it's gold. It's so stunning. Here you go, buddy. Whoa! And another one? Boy, he is so lucky. Here you go. Comment down below what the names of these tools are. And if you like this video with all this gold, don't forget to like it down below. And you can subscribe to the Sperella family where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. I just can't believe all the glitter inside the golden chest.